Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to restart Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55. So here is my Galaxy A35, but it's the same also for A55. If you want to restart this phone, we have two ways. The first one is the easy one, and for that just push and hold volume down and power like this. And this is the power off menu, and here just tap restart and again restart, and wait for a few seconds, maybe a minute, until your phone will restart. And now I'm back, and what you do if you have a pattern pin or a password on your phone, if you will try to restart your phone and tap restart and again restart, we'll ask for the pattern, pin or password. For that we have the second way, also called force restart, and for that again push the volume down and the power like this, but now keep pushing, just keep pushing, wait for a few seconds but keep pushing, and now remove your fingers, and as you can see my phone will restart. So this is the forced restart, and you can use it if you want to restart your phone, but you forgot your pin or password, or you don't know the pattern. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.